Hi, I'm Dr. Douglas Harrington. I'm the chairman of the GUARDaHEART Foundation, which is a 501c3 not-for-profit. And we're here at Coast Hills Church, who we've partnered with to bring COVID serology testing to the community. The test is in answer to the state's mandate for everybody to be tested and the lack of adequate sites for testing. So the way it's working here is we're delighted with the partnership we have with Coast Hills Church. They've allowed us to use their parking lot and tents, and what we're doing to maintain a safe environment is we have people signing up by appointment, and we're maintaining social distancing here, and everybody has a temperature check. And it's important for you to realize this test is not for people with symptoms. This is for people who may have had it in the past. The value of the serology test is that it will tell you if you have had this illness in the past and whether you've developed antibodies to it. It's also extremely valuable to the public health authorities in determining the level of immunity within the community and the level of disease prevalence, because about 40% of patients who are infected with COVID have no symptoms. And interestingly, they're also not very likely to transmit the disease. So it's important for you to realize too that not all tests are created equal. The test that's being offered here is among the most accurate available. It's 100% sensitive and 99.6% specific, which means that number one, it doesn't miss people who are actually positive. And number two, it is not going to be fooled by some other virus that you may have had in the past. So it's extremely accurate. But again, if you have symptoms, you need a swab. You should not be getting this test. And we'll be here every Tuesday through August. There'll be some additional sites developed probably in Santa Ana in the near future. And again, this is part of the outreach program for the GUARDaHEART Foundation. Everybody here is a volunteer, and I want to remind you that under the CARES Act, this test is paid for by insurers and by Medicaid and Medicare, as long as it's ordered by a physician. Okay? And we have a physician that is overseeing this particular site. The people who do not have insurance, it will still be free. There's a program through Optum Health, and they will cover the cost of the test. So please do not avoid getting tested because you're afraid that it will cost too much. It really is at no charge to the patient under the CARES Act. Okay?
Hey, my name is Jeff. I'm one of the pastors here at Coast Hills, and we are so grateful to be partnering with the GUARDaHEART Foundation for COVID-19 testing. Yeah, we're doing the antibody testing here on our campus, and it's open to anyone and all who want to come. I'd encourage you, go to the GUARDaHEART Foundation website, sign up, and you'll come in, you'll get out very quickly. It's a pain-free process. It's real simple. Here's why we're doing it. We know in this time, through COVID-19 and all that's going on in our world and in our country right now, there is a lack of hope and there's a lack of peace. And I know for me, as I took the test and I was able to get results back, it was a moment to receive that peace, to receive that hope of, hey, I'm good, my family's good, and we're gonna be all right. And so I just wanna encourage you, come, take the test, experience that hope, and truly, more than anything, my prayer for you is that you would experience the hope and peace that only Jesus can give as you walk through this season. Come on out and be tested.